Winter temperatures that I'm talking about, they often bring sky-high energy bills as well.
But home contractor Skip Bedell is joining us now with some easy do-it-yourself winter upgrades that will help you spruce up your home and save on energy costs. I need this, Skip. Help me.
Easy DIY projects. You're right. This time of the year, we're losing energy out the doors and the windows. The U.S. Department of Energy says that the average American home has a big enough gap with the air leaks to equate to a 2-foot window being open all day long. So you can imagine all that air leaking out. So what can we do to close it up? Easy DIY projects. Door sweeps on your front door.
Easy.
They have screw on, glue on. This is the easiest type. It's a slide on. All available at Home Depot. You slide it on the bottom of your door sweep. It stops the draft from coming in underneath your door.
Yep. Peel
and stick weather stripping. Good for weather, for windows and doors on the frame. It'll seal up the doors, make sure no air comes through, cut down on the drafts.
Great.
Also, expandable foam. This is great to close up gaps around your window and door frames. Special formulas for windows and doors have minimal expansion, so they don't blow out your windows and overexpand on your windows.
Got it.
This stuff I love. Check this out. This is the indoor window film. So this is a simple film that you use a peel and stick tape. You put it on the window. If you look right now, it's actually on there. So you cut this, you put it on the window, you cut off the excess. All you need is a pair of scissors. You heat it up with a blow dryer, and it shrink wraps and completely seals your window.
Can you do it from the inside?
Yeah, so the viewers are actually seeing the inside view.
Okay.
I just wanted to show you so you can't even see it. It's easy. 5 minutes. Old drafty windows completely sealed up.
Great
all
idea.
available at the Home Depot. This next thing I absolutely love. This is the Guardian. So this is basically an automatic water shut-off system for the main valve on your water. So imagine if you're away on vacation or you're working and there's a leak in your home, no one's there to shut off the valve. This unit bolts onto your pipe. It's very simple. No tools required. 2 minutes to bolt it onto your pipe. Watch what happens when it detects water. So it'll actually shut the valve off manually for you. You have these sensors, you place them all over the house, wherever there could be water, in your basement, by your hot water heater, your sink. These all work wirelessly, and talk to this unit, shut it off, and completely close off the water. They work up to 1,000 feet away with a 15-year battery. So these are absolutely amazing.
So it alerts your phone.
And it actually gives you a smartphone alert. So this is unbelievable system from Guardian. It's total DIY. All you got to do is just bolt it on. No plumber, no tools required. So also attic insulation. Obviously, heat rises to the top of our house. A simple thing you can do is get some good attic insulation like this Knopf R30. This is the Eco Roll. Basically, you just roll it out across your attic, and it gives you an extra 10 inches of insulation. It's like putting a hat on the top of your house. And also, we all have a pull-down attic door, many of us. But what you don't realize, that's a giant opening in the top of your house. The air escapes right out of it. Owens Corning makes this very simple insulated tent. You just put it over the opening, and now it insulates that attic pull-down door. It's such a simple thing. It takes seconds to install, and it's all available at the Home Depot. It's a great weekend project. And last but not least, this is Armacell. So this is a pipe wrap. All of your pipes that run your hot water through your house, and even the cold, they're losing that temperature through the pipe in the basement, in the crawl spaces. Very simple peel and stick Armacell rubberized foam pipe wrap goes right onto the pipe. You peel and stick. It self-seals. This insulates your pipe, and it makes your hot water heater work a lot easier. It's not always fighting that cold temperatures. It also cuts down on mold and sweating on the pipe. It's really simple. You just peel the tape and you stick it right on. It comes with fittings, corners, all different sizes. Armacell makes this great insulation. And again, these are all projects you can do yourself in a weekend.
You don't have to be handy to do this.
Very minimal
easy.
cost, no tools required. All the tools you see right here, this entire thing, it's just a pair of scissors that you need to cut that film. All these great products are available at the Home Depot.
Or go to skipbedell.com.
Of course. Always skipbedell.com.
And get more information. This is really great stuff, especially if you live in cold areas.
I use it, yes. I use it
windows.
at my house.
Taking care of the windows. Is it easy or is it a pain?
These windows? Is it a pain?
It's a pain.
Come on, man. You need to be on. You really?
All right.
He's got a gig going down the street at the Comedy Club.
Skipbedell.com. Check it out.
Check it out, guys.
All right, good man.